In today's fast-changing world, technology is advancing faster than ever before, revolutionizing how we live, work, and even defend ourselves. Imagine a future where fighter jets don't always need a human pilot in the cockpit, where advanced AI takes charge of critical missions, pushing the boundaries of efficiency, safety, and innovation. One groundbreaking innovation in the military aviation world is the Loyal Wingman, Boeing's next-generation robotic fighter jet. This isn't just another drone. It's a powerful AI-driven aircraft designed to support and protect human pilots in ways never seen before. The Loyal Wingman is a military drone equipped with an onboard AI system that eliminates the need for a human pilot. It can carry and deliver a significant weapons load, perform high-skill tactical missions, and provide unmatched support to manned fighter jets. By replacing a human pilot with AI, the aircraft is lighter, more cost-effective, and capable of executing complex missions with precision. One concept involves pairing a manned sixth-generation fighter jet with an unmanned Loyal Wingman that operates under the pilot's command. Think of it as a wingman on the battlefield, ready to assist in missions, gather intelligence, or act as a shooter. Another design explores a smaller, more affordable version that can be launched mid-air from a parent aircraft, adding flexibility and firepower to combat scenarios. This advanced wingman can connect with other aircraft within the same network loop, enhancing coordination. Additionally, it can function as a suicide bomb as a last resort if it runs out of power or loses connection. This type of wingman is designed to be operated by a fighter jet or military aircraft and has a range of 100 to 300 kilometers. It can be powered by either a battery or an engine. Primarily, it is used for mid-air refueling, cargo operations, and armed missions in hostile zones. The Loyal Wingman isn't just about reducing costs. It's about elevating human pilots to mission commanders, allowing AI-controlled drones to handle the high-risk operations. With capabilities to act as a sensor, a shooter, and even a weapons carrier, the Loyal Wingman is reshaping air combat. Countries like Australia, the US, UK, China, Japan, and Russia are actively developing these cutting-edge technologies, marking the start of a new era in defense. As robotic fighter jets like Boeing's Loyal Wingman become reality, the skies are poised for a transformation where humans and AI work together to achieve unmatched efficiency and dominance. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about robot fighter jets in the comments section. Hey there! Are you pursuing aviation studies and struggling with aviation subjects? Don't worry. At Jetline Marvel, we bring over 10 years of experience in the aviation industry. We've crafted an amazing textbook, packed with valuable content tailored to your graduation requirements and aligned with Bangalore University's curriculum. Check out our book on Amazon and order your copy today.